Hey guys, today I'll cover 5 ways you can use Microsoft 365 Copilot on your desktop. Just a disclaimer, the examples I will be showing in this video are from the paid version. There's Copilot, which is free, and 365 Copilot. Currently, the plan is $30 per month, billed annually. Let's get started. You can create presentations using Copilot with ease. I want to create a 10-slide PowerPoint about cybersecurity best practices. If you want, you can use a themed PowerPoint PDF file for the base, but for this video, I wanted to demonstrate Copilot's creativity. I'm going to select Create a New Presentation. Next, to create a presentation about, I'm going to type Best Cybersecurity Practices for Businesses. I want you to see Copilot work in real time, so I haven't sped up the video. You can see Copilot creating the skeleton of the PowerPoint for each of the 10 slides. Next, I'll click on Generate Slides. I can see the progress in the loading bar as well as the live updates to the slides. And just like that, Copilot created a 10-slide PowerPoint for me. I like what I see, so I'm going to keep it. With the generative feature, Copilot has created compelling graphics for my presentation, all related to the topic I wanted to present. Let's say I wanted to change the layout of the design. I can just go to PowerPoint's designer feature and choose the layout that I like the best. The next feature I wanted to tackle is the summarize function. I want to summarize this marketing proposal I came up with, so I asked Copilot for help. Within seconds, it gave me a full summary of the document with key points and a title. Now I can cover the key points when I present the proposal to my manager. How easy! One of my favorite features is the podcast summary. With this feature, you can quickly turn all your selected documents into a podcast that you can listen to or even post to your socials. It may take a few minutes to load, but that's alright. I'll let you listen to a snippet of what it came up with.
Hey, good to have you with us. Welcome to today's overview on LG Network's strategic approach. It's exciting to dive into these insights.
Hi there, thanks for joining. Today we're unpacking details from documents prepared by Elena Moreno and the operations team at LG Networks.
Exactly. We'll look at their phased market domination initiative, their Q1 2025 performance highlights, and some essential cybersecurity practices for businesses.
That's quite a mix, and each piece gives us a lens into how the company is positioning itself in this competitive tech landscape.
Right, so let's jump in by exploring how they plan to dominate their market over the next few years.
Have any data you want to turn into a readable chart? No problem. I want to create a graph for our quarterly performance report for easier readability. There was an issue with the values in the document, but Copilot still found a way to make it work. Copilot extracted the metrics manually first and then used them to create a graph. Here I can see each of the categories as well as their data. This is exactly what I wanted. Another one of my favorite features is the Create tab. You can create images, design posters, create videos, and much more. Today I want to create a poster for my company. For this example, we'll be hosting a computer giveaway for our next 10 customers. I use my company's colors, which you can select under the Brand and Color tab. Let's see what Copilot comes up with. These are nice examples, all using my company's colors. However, I'm not entirely happy with the images, so I'll try again. Here's one that sparks my interest. I'll click into the edit button to make some changes since I want to change the style. I really like this modern look with the monitor and desk setup. Maybe for this theme I can go for a nostalgic pixel style. There's a ton of other styles you can choose from, so pick whatever suits your project the best. Wow, I really like what Copilot came up with. Feel free to regenerate these as much as you want to get the desired output. You may have to tweak the prompt a little bit, but eventually you may find something that you really like. These are looking pretty nice, but I want to try something different and more hip, so I'll try something like kawaii maybe? No, too cute. Let's go for the vaporwave style instead. These look great. I would totally want a computer setup like that. I can even change the colors if I'd like, but I think I'll keep this color scheme. It's pretty neat after all. And that's 5 ways you can use Copilot 365 on your desktop. What do you think? Which of these features is your favorite, and are there any more notable features you want to mention? Leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.